Hey guys, so this is why I am super bullish on crypto and on Bitcoin. I think we could go to 90,000, maybe even 100,000 in the next few weeks, maybe at the end of March or at the mid-April to 100, 110,000. I really think this, and why I think that we can go that high is because, first of all, here you can see today we will see President Trump and Michael Saylor speaking at a Bitcoin crypto conference, which is bullish, and many people actually think that basically Trump will tell some major announcements. Some people think that he will basically announce the capital gains tax to zero for Bitcoin investors. I doubt that he will basically announce something like this. There will be most likely some White House summit where he changes some laws. So I really doubt that, but maybe he says that they will actually buy some Bitcoin, not just hold the seized one. Next thing, I'm bullish that BlackRock, basically head of digital assets, said that a recession would be a big catalyst for Bitcoin. This makes sense because when there is a recession, Federal Reserve has to cut rates. The money printer starts going on, and that's why Bitcoin is going up. That's why I am really bullish either way on recession, or if we are not in recession, the markets are in a great shape. I'm still really bullish on Bitcoin because no matter what, everything that's happening is bullish for Bitcoin for the next 4 years, in my opinion. Next thing, why I'm bullish is because SEC has dropped the cases with Coinbase, Consensus, OpenSea, Robinhood, Gemini, Kraken, Yuga Labs, and now Ripple. That's why Ripple went crazy. Basically, the war on crypto is over. There are no hurdles for crypto companies to build and to invest money. And under Biden, for the last 4 years, there were crypto founders actually debanked. Their bank accounts were frozen. That's why this is the best time to be in the crypto space, not just investing, but working. Maybe you can find a job or just expose yourself to this space and do your research. That's the most important part. Just join this space and see what you can do, how you can contribute as a developer or influencer or just some programmer, whatever. So there is this happening behind the scenes that most people don't know about. Next thing is that, basically people think that Trump will announce a capital gains tax, zero capital gains tax on Bitcoin and crypto, which I doubt that he will, but maybe in a few months, I think he will definitely do this. Maybe he will lower it from, I think, 20% right now, maybe to 5%. So next thing I want to show you is this, which is interesting. Here, this project via VIA raised 28 million from Bosch Ventures. So I'm really happy to see major brands investing in crypto. Here you can see actually BMW also invested. And here is the project. This is a Web3 basic communities are cleaner, safer, and more equitable when they solve with VIA. And here you can see all the investors: Bosch, BMW, Sentinel Global, Mass Mutual Ventures. So I am really glad to see major brands investing in Web3 companies. And we will see this more and more as the sanctions against crypto companies basically are lifted under the Trump administration. Now, what I'm bullish on is Dog.me, the meme coin. Here you can see Coinbase assets listed Dog.me in March 14, right? We are 6 days later, March 20th. But looking at the crypto space, at the crypto prices, Bitcoin right now is at 85, 86,000. We might see a listing going to happen. Listing to happen today, maybe tomorrow. I don't know when, nobody knows. But I think as we see a pump in the crypto market, there is a higher chance of the listing happening because Coinbase and the base founders actually want the base meme coins to go up in value, not to dump after the listing. And here you can see Dog.me is still pumping. Congrats everyone that was on my Patreon, because I actually talked about Dog.me right here. Basically, they before this pump happened. So if you got in early, because I didn't even got in this early, I was talking about Dog and Me for the last few months, but I was selling as the 79,000 Bitcoin happened. But I bought around here, so I'm still up significantly. And after the Coinbase listing, I think we will see the same fate as it was with the Toshi. After the listing, basically Toshi was at 150 million, and after the listing, it went up 7x to 900 million. And right now, Dog and Me is lower than Toshi was at the listing. So if Dog and Me does 900 million, that means 9x from this point. And I would be good with even 3x or 5x. For 10x, it will be amazing. But looking at the fact that Bitcoin is, not many people are still bullish on Bitcoin, but it is going up. That's why I see 3x, 5x potential most definitely. Now, next thing is that I talked about on my Patreon as well is Good Vibes Club. If you was on my Patreon, you could mint these for 0.069. So right now it is around 5x gains if you minted. So congrats everyone that was following my Patreon. You could get up to 3 mints per wallet, and you could make 5 wallets, 10 wallets, and mint 30 of these and get basically 5x on thousands of dollars. It was also 0.5 floor price, I think yesterday or 2 days ago. Right now it is consolidating. Maybe it will go up, maybe it will go down. But you can see the volume is going down. Only one sale. I mean, few sales every hour. It was like few seconds, multiple sales every minute. So it makes sense. Now we have to see the utility. But again, my Patreon link is in the description if you want to follow me and see the latest news and updates. And I am in different Telegram groups. I am doing my research every day on crypto. As soon as I see something, I'm posting on Patreon. Also, Dog and Me, I was posting before it went 6x, basically from 10 million to 100 million, basically 10x. So yeah, you can do that if you want to. Now some Memecoin alpha here. Dave Portnoy basically posted this 10 hours ago. Jackie. And this is why I'm always telling you that there is a opportunity to make money in meme coins still, especially if you're on BULLISH, because on BULLISH you can track wallets, and you could have tracked Dave Portnoy's wallet because he posted this, and here you can see Jackie basically went up from 59,000 market cap to almost 1 million. I think it all actually reached almost 1 million. So here you can see every 15 seconds it went up like crazy, but you could get big gains. And yeah, you have to be early. You have to see what these vaults are doing and how you can be early, really easy. Make an X Pro. I will show you. Go to premium. You need premium for this. $8 a month, $9 a month. When you buy premium, you can access X Pro. So you go on X Pro and you can create your own tabs. From I have main crypto, meme coin tab. I have specific people that have talked about creating meme coins like FIFA. Ansem basically is shilling meme coins. Ghost Killa is still talking about creating his meme coin. Kanye West has been talking about creating. Dave is actually creating, and how you can track his wallet is really easy. Go on Scan here. By the way, here you can see that people are basically buying and selling and trading meme coins every minute. And when we go to leaderboard, you can see today people made 40,000, 37, 33,000 on weekly. You can say hundreds of thousands are being made monthly, even millions are being made in meme coins in the last month. So meme coins are not dead if you know what you're doing. If we go to the back, you can find the Dave Portnoy's wallet right here. You write Dave, so you click on it, and how you can copy his wallet is here. You will see a code. Just click on this code. You'll automatically copy the wallet. Go back to the BULLISH, and this is invite only. Invite link is in the description. You go to the wallet manager. Wallet tracker, add wallet, write her name, enter the address and add wallet. I have already added his wallet. Here you can see everything that he's doing. When he's buying tokens, selling tokens, his most profitable sales, what he has done in the last hours. Of course, he has like secret wallets. He has his main wallet. This is his main wallet. But looking at the fact that he posted this Jackie pants, Jackie for short, of course there will be created meme coins, like thousands of meme coins, and most likely he had already created a meme coin with a private wallet, and people saw it and basically bought it, and you can track basically all of these people. And what you can do is just go on the leaderboard, search for some people that are the best in the ranking, copy the wallet, enter here, and here you will see that basically you can track everyone that is buying and selling. And for example, you see this and you don't know which token is the real one. You go here and you will see the smart people actually buying the real Jackie. Then you can basically go on the token like this and just buy how much you want. For example, 0.2 Solana, and just buy, click here. Of course, you want to set your gas fees higher, so you are buying before people are buying, before basically everyone else. That's why you have to set your gas fees higher, so your transaction goes in milliseconds, so you buy before everyone else, because right now Solana and the meme coins are not that hyped as they were in 2024, in basically last year. But I still think we will see a major bull run because we haven't still seen that major bull run as it was in 2017 and 2021. But we will most definitely see it. And that's when you can actually buy earlier than hundreds of thousands of people and hold for some few minutes, for a few hours, maybe a few days, if you think that meme coin will go up significantly. Because right now it is basically you go fast in and you sell it fast in, fast out. And there are many people, that's how they are making money, basically by scalping. So yeah, that's basically how you can still make money in crypto. This video is not a financial advice. I just want to show you all the opportunities that you can make money in this market. And again, if we are talking about meme coins, there are people making money in NFTs. You can make money if you know what you are doing. And I'm deep in NFTs. If I see something I'm posting on Patreon, this was the last opportunity. And for the last few months, maybe 12 months, there hasn't been as big opportunity as this is. But there will definitely come more opportunities, because we still have base meme coins that are being listed on Coinbase exchange. We have Bitcoin pumping 85,000, 86,000. Ethereum looks like going back down, but I don't really care. Bitcoin is the most important one for whole markets to pump. We have great, basically overall macroeconomics. Basically, the yesterday's Federal Reserve news were really bullish, because they are cutting the QT by 80%, which means they will stop selling the assets, and maybe they will start buying soon, as the tariffs are dumping the markets. But who knows? Overall, I hope you enjoyed this video. There is so much alpha. If you want to get the alpha as early as possible, you can follow my Patreon. If you don't want to pay $10 a month, you can just watch my YouTube videos, because I'm posting them on YouTube afterwards, but it takes me a few hours. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.